Okay, now they ask what the radius of a semicircle when it has a perimeter 19.02. Now semicircle mean like this, no? Right? Semicircle like this, right? And here they ask, now they given the perimeter of this semicircle, so they ask the radius, right? Try to understand here. This perimeter mean not only this curve length, not only this curve length, this curve length plus this diameter. This diameter we can think has radius, two radius, right? Here from here to here r, no? From here to here radius r, right? We need to find this r is how much, right? What the value of r, we need to find what the value of r. So the thing is they given only perimeter here, right? So how to find the perimeter of this one? You need to think of it, right? Here this curve length, get to this curve length, we use this way. What the here semicircle, so someone can put 1/2, half of a semicircle, half of a circle, so semicircle, so half of a circle, so 1/2 into 2 pi r. Normally we get the perimeter of a circle 2 pi r, no? Here we have no complete circle, so half into 2 pi r. Or someone can think here we have 180 degrees, from 360 degree. If there was complete circle, we have 360 degree, but here we have only 180 degrees, so you can put from 360 we have only 180 degrees here. Semicircle mean like that. So anyway, we will get here half, right, into 2 pi r. But thing is here, with this all you will get only this curve length, right? This is not represent only that, this represent this length plus this, right? So that's why this is by this you will get this curve length, and plus you need to add this r plus r, that means basically 2r, right? Now this is the perimeter of this semicircle. This will be equal to 19.02. Okay, now how to simplify this, right? Here very simple, 1/2, no? Here 2, here 1. How many 180 are there in 181? How many 180 are there in 362? Or you can simply divide by 10 and 9 like that. But anyway, this is the way. Then 2 to 2 cut. Okay, just here you will have only 5r, and here 2r equal 19.02. Okay, now how to do? Now here 5 mean this value we need to replace, otherwise we can't add this 2. So 5 mean 3.5 you can replace with 3.142 and into r, or just r, then plus 2r equal 19.02. Then you can add this 2, 3.142r plus 2r, that means it will be 5.142 r, right? This is plus 2, 3.142 plus 2, you can add, here put 2 and add, it's not big deal. So now here 19.02, how to find r? Both side divide by this value, what the 5.142. To remove this, you should divide both sides by that value. So here divide 5.142. Then you will get r has what the 3.6989. They ask to find it to 3 significant figure, so you can write here first significant figure, here second, here third. So this is more than 5, no? 8 mean, so add 1 to here. When you add 1 to here, it will be 10. 9 plus 1, 10, no? From 10 you need to put 0, that one come to, remaining one come to here. 1 plus 6, it will be 7 here, and then here 3. So r equal 3.70. This is the answer for r.